In a world full of routine, two degenerates emerge to remind us to embrace life. Krista and Jason aren't the cruisers we need or deserve, but they're here anyway. They're just soulmates with a GoPro, a moderate tolerance for alcohol, and a thirst for fun. Let's celebrate the day!
What's the situation, Degenerate Nation?
What's happening, Degenerates?
Back for another drink video.
Yep.
So, we've kind of gotten into some creamier, like coquito. You know, it's the holiday season for us at the moment.
Winter.
And so we thought we would do Honduran Horchata. Horchata is a really, I don't know if you've had it, but you know, I was first exposed to it with my Latina influence.
Okay. Or
Latino influence. And in Southern California, you could pull into near any Mexican market and get horchata, and it was amazing. It's like it's not the consistency of milk. It's much, much lighter. A nice cinnamony twist, a little thickness, just perfect. And then it turns out, because I'm an idiot, I didn't know, didn't ever do any research on horchata, but I just thought it was a Latin thing. And it is. It is. But it was actually invented in Africa.
Oh.
Yeah, didn't know that.
Have you ever tried African eggnog?
No.
I'm told it tastes like whiskey.
Yeah. We'll stick with that then. Yeah. So, it's made its way around the world, horchata has, and different folks make it different ways. If you finally get to Puerto Rico, it's actually made with sesame seeds.
Ooh.
Yeah, right, the Puerto Ricans, they're like, dude, we can approve anything you want to bring here.
They can, right?
Try coquito if you like eggnog.
Woo!
Try our horchata if you like regular horchata.
That sounds good.
Honduran horchata is made with, I can't even pronounce the name of the plant that it's made from. We're not going to actually have Honduran horchata. We're going to have more the traditional Mexican horchata.
Okay.
And we're even, I don't know if we're going to make any Latino proud today.
No.
We're making instant horchata.
Yeah, it gets worse.
So basically, you just add about three tablespoons or teaspoons per cup of water. This stuff, and it's a close facsimile. I wouldn't say
similar.
If you know how to make coquito, that's fantastic.
Horchata.
Excuse me, if you know how to make horchata, then please invite me over your house. If you live somewhere with any Latino markets or things along those lines, you'll probably find horchata.
Yeah.
That they've made it by hand.
Yeah. And I might try it at some point.
We're settling for what we're settling for. We didn't have time to actually go to the Latino market. We found the bag at Publix.
Yeah.
Close enough.
Yeah, works for me.
All right, so the recipe is incredibly difficult, so Krista can get started. Honduran horchata is basically dump out ounce of vodka, or excuse me, an ounce of your favorite rum. I'm doing good today.
You're doing great.
Do an ounce of rum, and then top it up with horchata.
Okay, so what is your favorite rum?
I'm going to do Florida Cana, but typically it would be made with whiter
rum. Yeah.
But I think it'd be fantastic with coconut rum. Ooh. If you want to put your own spin on it. A lot lower ABV. This is a really low ABV drink anyway. Or Krista loves spiced rum, so obviously she's going to hit it with spiced rum. What happened? It's broken.
I'm like, I don't have the strength to fight this.
Okay, so like I said, it's very low ABV. And it comes out, we're going to put 1 ounce of 40% ABV into about 15 ounces of mixer, which is only going to come out to about a 2.7% ABV drink.
Okay.
2.7.
Cracking.
So, yeah, I mean, if you want to double up, by all means, or shorten it up to an 8-ounce cup, then you'll bump the ABV. Still, at 2 ounces of 40 proof or 40% ABV, it only comes in at a 5% drink. So we're right in that domestic beer thing, really.
Yeah. Okay, and then what?
Add the horchata.
That's it?
We're done here.
Oh my gosh, the complications. I don't know if I can handle this.
I will give you that it may not look to be the prettiest drink in the world.
Oh, we could put like whipped cream or something on top of it and dress it up a little bit.
It should be, I recommend topping it for flair with, I brought out some ground cinnamon or ground nutmeg or something. Just a little sprinkle on the top to get your palate ready for that when you smell it, you know, and then it's like it's prepared for what's about to happen.
There's a thing in my drink.
There's a snake in my boots.
Okay, top off a little bit of
That's some of that authentic Honduran horchata. Ah, easy, right?
Right? Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. You gotta try this.
Yeah?
Yeah, with the Kraken is really good.
Yeah, it's a little more caramely with the Kraken.
But I like yours too.
I don't think you can go wrong by doing something with boozy horchata, period.
No.
I mean, vodka, if you just want to stick with the flavor of that.
Oh.
I would even, brandy would be a good addition.
Ooh.
Or maybe some Jack would probably spruce that up.
We could have lots of
I
fun
wonder
with
what
this.
it would taste like with some Jack apple.
Oh my.
Or Christy even thought butterscotch schnapps.
Well, you know, I'm thinking, you know, shake it up, do something different.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if you need to waste your Florida Cana. It was it's one of my favorite aged rums, so
Yeah.
I thought, let's do it.
Oh, this is good.
And it's not filling like I liken it to almost the flavor of coquito, but not quite as
Right.
heavy.
Coquito-
And coquito with eggnog. I mean, how many eggnogs can you drink before you're just
Oh.
you're rolling around the ground and you're just hoping that this will go away soon?
Right? And coquito, after 3 or 4 glasses, it's the same way.
Yeah.
You know,
And
you're
eggnog
just-
is basically,
it's 'cause it's filling.
if you want to know what it's like to be pregnant as a male, just drink 2 big glasses of eggnog and you should have some idea what that's like.
It's extremely uncomfortable, right? But this, because its main ingredient is water, so it doesn't have the sweetened condensed milk or the evaporated milk. So it's mainly a water base. You know, it's got a lot of water in it.
And it
So-
it doesn't taste boozy at all. You could up the booze easily in this and
I
still
did.
not give yourself a, what'd you do?
I upped my booze.
How much did you up it?
About half an ounce.
So you're at 1.5 ounces?
Yeah.
Is that accurate?
Yeah.
All right, so Chris is up to about a 4.5%, 3%, somewhere in there. ABV.
I figured, why not?
Let's party.
There was room. You got anything planned today?
Yeah, hanging out with you, that's it.
Cool.
All right,
neither.
well, you know the drill. What do? We drink these.
We're gonna drink these, and then we're gonna come back
We'll
and
prove that it's really low ABV. I don't know if it
Yeah.
will blow zeros, but we haven't ate, but...
we haven't eaten yet
we'll do
since
it.
this morning.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Welcome back.
Hello.
Well, what do you think of horchata and rum?
It's very light. I don't feel very fat right now, so it's totally different than coquito.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I mean, we drank a whole glass, and I'm not buzzing yet.
Good stuff.
It is good. I really like it with the Kraken and the Florida Cana.
It was good.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
So, if you get 2 Honduras, which we
Right?
love,
I love Honduras.
see if you can find yourself a Honduran horchata.
That would be cool.
You want to do another one and try and mix it up? I brought out a little coconut rum from Blue Chair Bay.
And I'm thinking of trying it with Crown Apple.
Alrighty.
Because apple and cinnamon just sound super nummy.
You're probably onto something.
Now I do know that the Crown Apple is a little bit sweeter than the Jack Apple. Jack Apple's a little less sweet.
Except I drank all the Jack Apple.
You did drink all the Jack Apple. But I think in this case, it'll match really well. We'll see what happens. I still have a floaty.
It's horchata. It's supposed to have a little floaty.
Oh, I have a little floaty. It's floating. Cheers. Oh, hot damn.
You like that?
Oh, this is good. You gotta try this. You don't.
You want to try mine?
Yeah.
Very appley. So the apple cinnamon.
That's good too.
Yep, yep. I'm
Okay.
thinking horchata is just kind of an all-round,
Yeah.
throw some booze in me and let's have a good time sort of drink.
Right? Because it's very light, but yet it's. This is good.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, we're going to skip the blow for this time, and we'll blow the next time because the results aren't going to be anything with 2.7.
No.
So
No. Cheers.
See if we can't catch up on the second one.
This is really good.
Great. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Welcome back.
Hi. No snacks, but that was super yummy.
It is I mean, horchata. We love horchata.
I love horchata.
The powdered horchata, I mean, it's not totally legit, but
no,
it's so easy.
It was very easy.
I mean, we sort of ran out of horchata between cuts, so I went and just like mixed up another one. Right. You know, otherwise it's like this overnight deal, which will help you gain some respect for horchata and how much work it is. Are we gonna blow? I'm
gonna blow.
Let's blow.
I'm guessing 0.04, 0.05.
You're predicting.
I'm predicting.
It's a forecaster.
Just ask me the weather. Cloudy with a chance of
oops. I forgot my vape. Hang on.
Oh. Maybe I'm a little more than I thought I was.
0.09. That don't sound too legit.
No,
I mean, it does have an ounce of rum in it.
And I did
it's just
the first
16
drink
ounce.
do an ounce and a half.
And there may have been a shot.
Yeah.
That you couldn't resist.
Yeah, there may have been a shot in there somewhere. So.
I'll try and bring up the rear here.
Yeah. 0.00. Squirrel.
Whew. 0.05. Well, I mean, that's 2 ounces of rum and part of that shot that we were testing out for our Christmas shot.
That's true.
So there you go.
Shh.
Okay. All right, so feel free to make up your own horchata and whatever drink at home, and we're basing it off of a Honduran favorite, Honduran Horchata.
Yes.
Which is made with completely different stuff than we've actually pulled off here, but I think it's close.
But we have, except for the crown apple, it's all
well, I mean, the horchata as a whole, I think, is based on different ingredients, but we're doing what we can do from here.
Right.
To try and live that lifestyle.
Yeah, it's a Caribbean drink, definitely. It's probably a winter Caribbean drink.
Yeah.
And
well, I mean, that cinnamon, that thick ricey sweetness, it's very, very pleasant.
With the crown apple, it was super yummy and easy going down. Maybe a little too easy. Might have to have just, yeah. Might just go a little extra later.
Bring us home, man. Let's get out of here.
I just want to tell everybody thank you so much for watching, and celebrate the day.
Celebrate the day.
Thanks for watching. Much love to our friends. Be the good in the world. Spread the love and go on an adventure. Please like, comment, and subscribe.